guys, and welcome back today for a brand new video. We are going to be talking all about Black Friday deals. I feel like this year is insane for makeup. There are tons of deals going on, and I want to share with you guys some of my favorites and things that I think are worth your money if you want to shop any of the sales. We're going to be chatting about that. First sale I want to talk about is Huda Beauty. I was like, this is a good sale. So Huda is doing a 30% off a lot of her newer products, which I see a ton of the Glowish products are 30% off. So I've been raving about the luminous powder she came out with. I love that. So that's going to be on sale for $23.10. I also know that her new rose quartz palette is also on sale right now, 30% off. So that is one I've been absolutely loving. It's actually what I have on my eyes right now. The highlight, if you want to try out that funky highlight, that's on sale. So all of the rose quartz collection as well as the Glowish stuff is 30% off. And then she also has a bunch of sales on her Kalali products, which are her sprays. Those are on sale for 30% off. Her bronzers, blushes are also on sale as well. And then I'm seeing a lot of her other products, like her Kiss Glow blush is on sale for 30% off. Brushes, if you wanted to pick any of those up. Her eyeliners. A lot of the little Obsession palettes. The Full Filter Luminous Matte Foundation, which I love. So a ton of really good deals for her. And then she also has some products that are 80% off, which is crazy. So a lot of the mini Power Bullet Matte lipsticks are on sale for 80% off. The Naughty palette, which was last year's holiday release, that one is 50% off, so that's a good deal. Let's see what else we have on here. Her primer's 30% off. I love that. I feel like I could keep going and going, but definitely check this sale out for sure. There is a ton of really great stuff. Mercury Retrograde is half off on her website, and then I know it is on sale at Sephora right now as well, so if you want to grab that one at Sephora, highly recommend. One of my favorite eyeshadow palettes in my collection. I'm going to move over to Sephora now since we are talking about that. So it's going to be actually $33.50 over on Sephora's website. So I would recommend checking it out over there instead because it is going to be a little bit cheaper. But that is, like I said, one of my favorites, absolute favorite palettes ever. So definitely pick that one up if you don't own it. Urban Decay Naked 3 is going to be on sale. That's a nice palette. First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I do really like that. It's going to be $15. They have some Sephora brushes. Their brushes are really great quality. I see the Bad Gal Bang duo here. That is a nice mascara if you want to try that. Too Faced has the Teddy Bear It All eyeshadow palette. I thought that one was cute. I did like that one. That is $22.50. Anastasia Glow Kits are going to be on sale for $20, so half off on those. Monsieur Big Mascara. I know a lot of people love that. That's going to be $13. And also the waterproof one is on there, and then some other skincare products. So that is Sephora's sale. Now I'm going to hop over to Ulta and tell you my recommendations from their sale. I will say I was a little underwhelmed with Sephora's. Besides the Mercury Retrograde, I feel like everything else is kind of goes on sale a lot. Ulta, however, has been having Black Friday sales all week long, and they've been doing some really great ones. So let me show you guys what I have right now. We have Smashbox Bare Minerals are going to be $10 each. Mascara from Benefit, It Cosmetics, KVD Vegan Beauty are $10 each as well. 50% off select Tarte foundations. The Urban Decay Naked 3 is also on sale at Ulta, as well as the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kits. 30% off the Anastasia brow products though. So if you've been wanting to try the Brow Freeze, that's a good time to try it. Some of the mini Too Faced palettes are going to be 50% off. I really like those tin palettes. I think they're really good. $15 MAC lip products. I also saw MAC is doing a holiday sale. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I didn't think they did holiday deals. So I'm going to go over there and show you guys next what they have going on, but I was surprised. 25% off the Studio Fix products from MAC at Ulta. The Educate dry shampoo. Jaclyn Cosmetics bronzing duos are going to be 50% off, so that was something kind of new I didn't see coming. 50% off the It's a 10 products. I love their conditioners. Their spray one that helps protect your hair. I use that every single day, and I also really love their deep conditioning mask. It's amazing, so that is a great product. They have some holiday gift sets, 50% off from NYX. Some hot tools are on sale as well. And then 50% off Morphe 35 pan palettes. They have some products. I didn't see that. The Dashing Divas nail stickers are going to be $5. I might grab some of those because I love those little stickers. So I actually might place an order for that myself. It looks like some of the Ulta Beauty Collection products are also on sale. Some of the masks. Makeup Revolution has some 50% off eyeshadow palettes. The Real Techniques new skincare sets, those are going to be 50% off, so that's a good deal. Lots of skincare on here if you are looking for that. We have 40% off bed heads. Let's see what else. Oh my gosh, there's so much. Makeup erasers are going to be 40% off the original set. I know right now on Makeup Eraser's site, they're actually doing buy one, get one free. So that's a really good deal if you're looking to get a makeup eraser. I'm going to have links to everything down below that I'm mentioning if you want to check any of the sales out. So you guys can head down there. It's always appreciated too when you shop my links because I do earn a small commission. So if you are shopping Black Friday, I do recommend, you know, finding one of your favorite creators. That doesn't have to be me, but anyone who you find like inspiration in or anything like that, or you enjoy their content, try to use their links because it does help us out, especially during the holiday season. Like I mentioned, MAC is doing a sale, so they're doing 40% off face and foundation products. They also have 30% off site-wide, so everything else is 30% off. I thought that was a pretty good deal because I feel like they don't really do deals. Maybe I'm wrong, but on their website, I know they're like a part of the Ulta 21 days and everything, but I can't say that I know that they do sales on their website. So if you want to stock up on your favorite MAC products, I think it would be a good time to do so. Next, I wanted to hop over to Macy's because I feel like they have some good sales as well. Urban Decay Naked, again, is on sale there, the Naked 3. I feel like they're really promoting that this time, but they have a lot of really good deals on MAC products. And I also saw Giorgio Armani, if that's something you've been enjoying. They have their products on sale. Also, Smashbox has a few really good bundles over on Macy's. But like I said, MAC, they have some of their holiday sets on sale, so that's a good time to grab those. There's lots of fragrances too if you're searching for fragrances. Anastasia liquid lipsticks are going to be only $10 there. Some of the T3 curling products are also going to be on sale for Macy's. Blender is going to be $14, the original, or this is the Nova blender from Beauty Blender. I feel like Macy's wouldn't be somewhere where I'd necessarily think to like get beauty products, but they have some really good deals. I could go on and on because there's like a ton of deals on Macy's. So honestly, check over there and hop over there if you're wanting to get sales. I see the Tarte Pro Glow Cheek palette is going to be $22.50. That's a really good palette. And then moving over into like some of the individual brands, the brand Glow Recipe is going to be 20% off their site. So if you like any products from them, I really do enjoy their blueberry cleanser. I also really like the watermelon dewdrops as well from them. Kylie Cosmetics is also doing a sale. So she's doing 30% off her entire site and then 40% off her lip products. So if you wanted to get any Kylie lip products, 40% is actually a really steep discount. And then also Kim's brand KKW is also doing 30% off their site as well. So good time to pick things up from them. I was thinking about trying one of Kim's fragrances. So I feel like 30% off is a pretty good deal from her. I am reading off Trend Mood deals. She has like a ton of the sales posted for like the individual sales. So next up I have Natasha Denona. It looks like she's running a lot of like bundle sales, which is interesting. So you're getting like different palettes together. So like you can get the bronze and the Zendo palette together for $70 if you don't have either one of those. It looks like you can get the Sunrise, Love, and the Zendo for $105. The Love and the Zendo for $70. Sunrise and Zendo for $70. So some of those. Also the bronze palette is on sale for $52. And it looks like the Trio Chrome palette is $78. So lots of good deals on Natasha's website as well. Fenty Beauty is doing 30% off and also a free gift with a $100 purchase. A lot of these brands are also doing free gifts if you reach like a certain amount of a threshold. So that's really nice. Honestly, I feel like I am not even going to shop the Sephora sale next year. I'm just going to wait till Black Friday because honestly, these sales are like so much better than the Sephora sale. ColourPop is also doing 30% off their site, so that's awesome. And then they are also doing 50% off of their collab. So if there's a collab that you've had your eye on and you want to get, that's a really great time. You can also get their holiday bundles for 30% off as well. Tarte also has some products on sale. It looks like they're doing between 30 and 50% off on their site. Jojo is doing 30% off as well. I really enjoy their deep conditioning hair mask. That's a really good one from them. Charlotte Tilbury is doing 30% off some of her products. It looks like a lot of her like little bundles that she puts together are going to be 30% off. So if you've been wanting to try Charlotte Tilbury, I also saw she's doing a free like pillow talk with the purchase. What is this? A free full-size gifts from Charlotte. Spend $175 and get a free gift. So you can get the Pillow Talk palette and a lipstick if you spend $175. And I've been wanting to try the Pillow Talk palette. So I was like, should I get something from Charlotte? I'm not sure because I feel like I've been wanting that palette. So maybe that's a good time to grab it. Sigma Beauty is going to be doing 40% off of their products. I don't have a ton from Sigma, but I do know that a lot of people really enjoy their products. So if you wanted to shop from them, 40% off is a good deal. I know Pat McGrath Laz, I know a lot of people take advantage of this sale. It's going to be 30% off. I know I did that last Black Friday. I got stuff from her site because I know she does those sales, and they're like a really big deal when she does them. And then also e.l.f. is doing 40% off 40% off select products for Beauty Squad members, and then 25% off for non-squad members. So if you've been wanting to try anything from e.l.f., that would be the time, because I feel like their products are already so affordable, so getting them at an additional discount actually sounds really amazing. And then Anastasia Beverly Hills, I was like, really? They are doing like a really big sale. So 30% off their brow products, which I told you, I believe it's Ulta is doing that as well. 40% off her Norvina palettes. 50% off their lipsticks, lip glosses, and lip stains. And then they're doing 40% off their trios, 40% off their foundation. And then they are doing 50% off their glow kits, so any of the glow kits. And then 60% off single eyeshadows. 40% off eyeshadow palettes. So all of their palettes. I was like really surprised by that. So even their new cheek palette is on there, like their face and cheek palette, 40% off, and then 60% off all brushes. So ABH, honestly, I feel like this is like the sale to get if you've been wanting anything from them. To get their palettes 40% off, like all of them, is a really good deal. Morphe is doing 75% off some of their products. It looks like also Jacqueline's highlights are on here. It looks like they're going to be on sale as well at Morphe's website. Urban Decay has a bunch of deals. It says grab your faves for only $11. Okay, so they have their single shadows, it looks like, some of their mascaras, the primer potion, I know a lot of people love that. Some of the 24-hour glide on pencils are also going to be $11. Previous Place is going to be 40% off all of their eyeshadow palettes. So that is a really good deal if you've been wanting to try anything from them. 40% off is a good steep discount. Not related necessarily to beauty, but the Spanx leggings are on sale right now for 20% off at Nordstrom. I live in those things. I love them. I love how you can dress them up, but you can also just casually wear them. They're actually pretty comfortable, and I bought mine. I've had them, I think, 3 years now. Yeah, because I bought them when I was pregnant with Rowan, so a little over 2.5 years, 3 years. I've had those, and they still like look like brand new, and I wear them at least once a week, if not multiple times a week. So would definitely recommend those. Those are 20% off at Nordstrom. I'll link them down below as well. And then a few other deals I see on here. Propa Beauty, I know a lot of people love their stuff. They're going to be 35% off their bundles, 25% off their lippies. So that is a good discount there if you've been wanting to try anything from them. And let's see. Key Australia sunglasses are going to be buy one, get one. I know The Balm is doing 50% off all of their products. I know they do that quite often, the sales on their products. Too Faced is doing 30% off plus free shipping. So not a lot of these sites I'm seeing free shipping. So Too Faced is actually free shipping. So that's really great. So you can just stock up on like one thing if you want it and get the free shipping from them, 30% off. I love their concealers. I really do enjoy their eyeshadow palettes. I also really love their Born This Way foundation. That's really great, as well as the powder is really good from that line too. Persona Cosmetics is going to be doing 30% off as well. I really enjoy the brand Persona. I feel like they have a lot of great products. I also saw that Lawless is doing some good deals as well, and I was actually thinking about getting their Forget the Filler lip plumper, because I feel like everyone talks about that, and I saw that that was going to be in a bundle where you could get like 3 minis. So I was kind of thinking about getting that over the Sephora sale, and then I didn't end up getting it, but now that Lawless is having a sale. They're doing 25% off site-wide, so I might get that for on their site now that I can get the 25% off, because that's actually better than the Sephora sale. So that's on my list as well. Thrive Cosmetics is going to be doing 25% off their products as well. So if you've been wanting to try their stuff, I really love that their lengthening mascara is really good. They also have their new primer that's really good as well. It Cosmetics is also going to be 30% off. I feel like 30 is kind of like the number where most brands are landing here. I feel like I could sit here and honestly go on all day. I feel like most of the brands are all doing really good Black Friday deals this year. So I'm gonna, I think, stop it there because I know this video is getting kind of lengthy, but I will link down below as many as I can brands that are doing sales, and I'll leave the percentage like next to it. So if you just want to head down there and you don't want to like sit here and kind of hear my thoughts necessarily, and you just want like a flat list, I'll link a ton of sites down below for you guys, and then I'll put the percentage that you can get next to it. So if that's easier for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this like video of kind of sharing, you know, some of my things that I think you should get during the sale. sale. And honestly, like I was saying, I feel like this is better than Sephora sale, so I might do a little shopping myself, and then next year, like, remember that in my head when I'm trying to purchase a ton at Sephora, that I don't necessarily need to do that because all of these Black Friday deals are even better than the Sephora sale. So comment down below what site has you most excited if you are planning to shop. If you are shopping, happy shopping. I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving and a great rest of your holiday weekend. I will see you very soon with a brand new video.